Hello dears, and welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to start the window menu with Illustrator. So we are done with the view menu. Let's start the window menu. So we're going to start the first option, which is new window, up to the artboards in this video. So let's start from the first option which is available here, which is this new window. So here I have this document and I can create the copies from my documents. So let's create some copies from the first document, which is here. So we're going to click on new document. So we have the first copy. Let's create the second one, and also we're going to create the third one. Now if I want to draw something here with this document, so you can find the same thing, the same shape, the same object with other window as well. So you can find it right here, and the second one, and also we have the third one. On the top, as you can see, we have the untitled, which is this one multiplied by 3, and also we have this 4. It means that we made some copies from the first document. And the next option here with the window menu, we have this arrange. I can arrange all my windows. So I can just click on tile. So the same that I can manage or arrange all my window and documents. Here also you can find this consolidate all. We have tile all in grid, we have tile all vertically, we have tile all horizontally. So I can click on float in window. We have this cascade, which I can select with the arrange. We have float all in windows, and also we have consolidate all windows. Not only that, we can use this arrange for different windows here, but I can use that for different documents as well. If you create more than one documents, so you can manage them as well with the same option with arrange, which you can use the cascade, tile, float in windows, float all in windows, and also consolidate all windows. So the next option here with window menu, we have this find extensions on Exchange. If you want to find extensions on Exchange with Illustrator, you can click at that, so directly it's going to open the link so you can find the extension on Exchange. And the next option, we have Workspace. So the same Workspace you can find next to this arranged documents. You can find the different workspaces, or the default one, which is this automation, essentials, classic, layout, printing and proofing, tracing. If I want to trace something and I'm dealing with the images and I need to trace them, so I can use this tracing workspace for that. And if I want to use some typography, I'm working on typography projects, so I can switch to this typography workspace. So here we have this web. So these are the default ones which I can use right here. But if you want to create a new one, so you can click with the selected workspace, you can create a new workspace. And you can find all the workspaces right here. You can find like this Bino 2, which is created with this Bino 2 copy. We have this Bino workspace, we have this one. And if I want to create a new one, so I'm going to click on the new workspace. If you want to reset this painting, simple click at this reset. And if you want to manage all the workspace, simple click on the manage workspace. So it's going to list all the workspaces right here. You can select each and you can delete them, you can rename it. And if you want to create a new one, just click on the plus icon to create a new workspace. And the next option here, we have this extensions. I can click at that, so it's going to take me to this libraries with Illustrator. So you can find that libraries next to the layers here with this workspace. As you can see, we have this libraries. Under libraries you have the extensions. You can find more things with that. So you can click from here and also from this panel, which is next to this layers. And the next option here, we have this contextual taskbar. You uncheck that, so only it is available with the selection tool. If I draw this rectangle shape, and if I want to see that by default, when you're going to open Illustrator after a fresh install with your PC, when you open Illustrator, so this option is already checked. So if you check this option, so you can find this toolbar right here, which you can click on edit path for this object. I can click on repeat, and also I can click on duplicate object. So we have duplicate object, and also I can lock object, and there we have the more option, which I can click on show properties panel. I can hide the bar, and also I can reset bar position. If you go with direct selection tool, so you cannot find that toolbar with that. So with other tool it is not available, only it is available with the selection tool. So we have controls. What is controls? So this is all controls which I can use it for my object. I can change the color from here. As you can see, we have this object type. I can change the color for selected object. I can change the stroke color from here. I can increase the stroke width, so I can change the variable width profile from here. I can change the brush definition. So here we have this opacity. Also I have this blending mode which I can change. We have the opacity right here which I can change. We have the style, color, artwork. We have the align to artboard and align to selection. We have all the aligns tools right here. We have the shape properties, we have transform panel, we have this isolated selected object, we have this selected similar objects, we have the start editing similar shapes together, and also we have this align selected to pixel grid. And here we have this align art to pixel grid on creation and transformation. And also if you click right here, so you can see all the control tools. If you don't want to see any of the controls, like let's uncheck this fill and stroke. So you cannot see this fill and stroke in this controls, but I want to see the fill and stroke right here in the controls. But window menu, if you uncheck controls, so you cannot see this controls right here. And if I want to see this again, so I need to check this controls with window menu. So the next option here is toolbar. So this is the toolbar, which is this basic is now selected. And if you want to see this in advanced with advanced tools, so simple, you select that. So now we have the advanced tool right here in this toolbar. So from here also I can just click to select the basic, so I can see the basic tools with this toolbar. And if I want to see the advanced, simple, I can select advanced from here as well. And also I can create a new toolbar. And if you created a toolbar and you want to manage all your toolbars, so simple, you can click at the manage toolbars. You can see all the toolbars from here. You can select that and you can delete, and you can click on the plus icon, which you can add a new toolbar, which I'm going to add, and click on OK. So we have this new toolbar. So from here I can select any shape which I can use it to draw this shape right here, or I can use any other tools. So this is how you can create the toolbars, and you can use the simple tools and the advanced one. So here we have this 3D and materials. If I want to see the window for this 3D and materials, so simple, I'm going to click at that. So here we have this 3D and materials, which I can use the different 3D types, which is this plane, this extrude, this revolve and inflate. And here also we have this materials and lighting. So a lot of options is available with this window of the 3D and materials, which I can use for my 3D models. So here we have this actions. This is really cool, which I can use for different purpose. Like if I want to apply any action for this selected object, let's remove this taskbar from here. So here we have this transparency. If I'm going to click at that, so automatically this transparency is going to apply. If you select another one and you want to apply, so play the current selection. You have to click at that. So we didn't actually record something, so that's why it didn't play, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So as you can see, the opacity is 60%. So there we have the default actions available in this panel. And if I want to record something and I want to apply any action, so let's try to do that. First, I'm going to make that 100% the opacity for this object, and I'm going to create a new one right here. So this action is going to the that action, let's name it like action 90, and we're going to go with the default actions. You can use the function key like F2 up to F12. I don't want to use that, so I can change the color. Let's record that. So here I'm going to change the color something like this. So now we are going to click on stop playing recording. Now let's delete this. Let's draw this. And if I want to apply this action, so simple, I need to click on play current selection. Okay, we're going to apply for this because this is let's change the color something like this one. So if I want to apply play current, so as you can see, because we didn't if you are going to delete this and you want to draw something different, and I want to apply this set color or something like this, as you can see, it's going to apply that color to this one. Let's draw something like this, and we're going to change the color. So this is the set color, which let's play this. As you can see, the color is changed. Now we apply two different colors. When you apply that, please take a look closely, and now if you play that, so as you can see, we have two different colors which we use to apply. So this is how you can use the action. You can create your own action right here. You can delete the selection. The action is going to be deleted. If you want to create a new one, simple click right here, a new action. and this is going to be action 3, and click on record. So we're going to change the color something like this, and we're going to click on stop playing record. Let's delete this, and if you are going to make something like this and I want to apply, so simple click on apply. So this is how you can create the actions. So hope you learned how to create the actions, but let me show you. This is the default actions, like this rotate. You apply this rotate, as you can see, this rotate is going to show you like this 30 angles. Not only that, you can create for the fill, so there you can create that for rotate, and you can click on scale. As you can see, we have this scale which you can create under action panel, and also we have more actions which is available. So simple, you can create, like there we have the save for the web. If you click at that, so automatically it's going to go to this save. We have this opacity for the screen. You can click at that, like this one. It's going to apply right here. So this is really cool panel, the actions which you can use for different purpose, and it can save a lot of time. So let me show you more options here with the actions panel which is available. If you click right here, so we have new action. You can create a new set. You have duplicate, you can delete, you can play, you can start recording, you can record again. You have the insert menu item. We have insert stop, we have insert select path, we have select object, we have action options which you can click and change the action options. We have the opacity, which is this one now selected. You can change the default action, you can change the function key, you can change the color. And also we have this playback options and clear actions, reset actions, load actions, replace actions. You can save actions as well. If you change something and a pattern mode, you can change this pattern mode. And also we have the batch. If you click on the batch, with a batch we have this play, and under play you can set the default actions, and also the action you can go with this opacity for the screen selection, or there we have a lot of other actions available which you can select from here for the under batch. So source, for source we have the folder, you can change that to data set, and you have choose. So we have this override action, open commands, we have include all subdirectories, we have place objects in same documents which you can choose from here, and also there we have choose, which you can click on the choose, so you can choose a document or a folder, and for that you can change the override action, open commands, you can change that one, and also this one. So under destination we have save and close, and you can go with the folder. You can choose a folder for destination. You can select the override action save commands, and also override action export commands for destination. And also here we have this file name, you can change, and also for errors you can go with the log errors to files, and you can stop for errors. So this is how you can change the options for actions panel. So here we have this align, and for align we have shift plus F7. If you click on align, so it's going to open the align. So under align you can find all align objects, you can find distribute objects, and here we have this align to. You can select with align to artboard, you can select align to selection, and also here we have align to key object. So this is align to artboard. Now let me make this 100, and if I want to align it horizontal align left, I can click on horizontal align center. I can click on horizontal align right. Not only for a vector shape, you can do this for any object like image, like other things which you are going to bring here right now, like you want to open any EPS, I want to place this, or any other objects you want to place right here with your artboard. So simple, you can use the align tool. So I can use this vertical align on top, I can use this vertical align center, and also here we have this vertical align to this bottom. So with distribute we need more objects. So distribution is between more than two objects. Let's create this one. We're going to select everything. So now align the artboard is selected. Now we can vertical distribute top, and we have vertical distribute center, and there we have vertical distribute bottom, and also horizontal distribute left, and we have horizontal distribute center, and also we have this horizontal distribute right. So the artboard is selected, so that's why it's going to distribute all the objects with the artboard. If you just go with this align to selection, so now it is going to distribute with the selection from the top, from the vertical. I can use horizontal distribute center, I can use this horizontal distribute right. And we have this appearance, which we use that for the effects when we want to apply any effects. So this appearance panel is going to show us all the effects which we apply for selected object. So the shortcut for that is this Shift plus F6. So I'm going to click on appearance, so it's going to open me this appearance panel, which I can click on effects, so I can apply any effects. So from here I can manage all my effects. If I want to apply this zigzag and click on OK, so here I can apply more than two, so I'm going to apply this roughing as well. So we have all the effects, this zigzag, we have this roughing, I can manage them from this appearance panel. So with the appearance panel, we have the add a new fill, we have this add a new stroke, we have this duplicate item, we can remove item, we can clear appearance, we have reduce to basic appearance, and also we have the new art has been appearance, hide thumbnails, we have redefined graphic style, show all hidden attributes. So if I want to see all the hidden attributes, so I can click at that. So if you want to see, so there's no hidden attributes. So we have artboards. If you want to create artboards and you want to manage, so simple, from the window menu you can click on the artboards. So now I can create more than one artboard. If I want to create the second one, so simple, from this one it's going to create another copy. So now we have the second artboard, I can create a new one, more copies. So as you can see, we have this move up and we have this move down. I can go to my artboards. So from here I can click on delete all board, and from here I can click on rearrange all artboards. So simple, I'm going to click at that. So we have four difference. First we can create the spacing between them, like I can add the spacing like 40. So we can move artboard artwork with artboards. If you check this option with the artwork, you can move the artboard as well. So make sure this option is checked always, and from here I can change the layout. First, I can change that create by row. I can create by column, and I can select this arrange by row, and I can select this arrange by column. So for layout order, here we have changed to right to left layout, and also we have changed to left to right layout. So I'm going to click on create by column and click on OK. I can create the create by rows in order with this. So now we have the columns, 2 columns. I can increase that, so I'm going to click at that. So I can click on arrange by row and hit OK. So according to your design projects, you can rearrange all your artboards. Maybe you're about to design the profile for any business, or maybe you're going to create a book, and for that simple, you can just go to the window, and here with the artboards, if you click at that, so it's going to open the artboard. So from here you can rearrange all your artboards with Illustrator. So this is how we used some of the options which we look up for from the new window up to the artboard option, which is with the Illustrator with window menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use all of the options which is with the window menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.